Hello and welcome to today's video. This video brings to you CABINBOX 320. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing design. Welcome back. CABINBOX 320 is a stunning 2-bedroom shipping container holiday cabin designed using a single high-cube 40-foot shipping container. This video covers a complete presentation of dimension drawings, a cost estimate checklist, 3D floor plans, and full color pictures of the exterior and interior design of the cabin. Watch to the end of the video for the dimension floor plans and a cost estimate checklist to guide you on your container house project. We post weekly videos on modern homes designed using shipping containers with stunning configurations to create bespoke designs for any family home. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, feel free to subscribe for our inspiring weekly videos on amazing design ideas and reviews. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. First, we look at the design concept. In this design, we've used a single 40-foot shipping container module to form a 320 plus square feet cabin box. The entire length of the container module is fronted by a wooden deck to enhance outdoor living. The container is covered with an elevated corrugated steel roof suspended on bespoke steel stanchions extending from the rear of the building to the front of the deck to shield it from weather elements. Design brief. In this single 40-foot shipping container holiday cabin, we have ingeniously accommodated the following salient features. 1. We have 2 bedrooms with wardrobes on either ends of the container. We have 1 bathroom. We have an open plan indoor living space. We have a kitchenette. We have an outdoor living space which has a small fireplace. Next, we look at the foundation design. The containers sit on a 250mm reinforced concrete raft foundation. This allows us to elevate the containers off the ground away from moisture. You are encouraged to observe construction good practices on concrete ratio mix, climate, and concrete curing when casting your foundation slab. You are encouraged to use plantings and flowers to soften and mask the exposed concrete slab of the foundation. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 5 foundation types used in shipping container homes and buildings in order to understand more on foundation design. Next, we move to structure and modifications. The roof and walls of shipping containers are structural and load bearing. Containers are designed to be loaded at the corners. Any intermediary loading must be reinforced to accommodate that extra load. Cutting out too much steel from the walls of shipping containers to accommodate doors and windows interferes with the structural integrity of shipping containers. It is very costly to restore the roof and the floor as compared with bracing and reinforcing window and door cutouts. For shelter mode homes, as a design principle, we do not tamper with the roof and the floor of our shipping container modules. In this design, we've retained the original container cargo doors on the container ends to create an outdoor shower which complements the functionality of this holiday cabin. The cabin has 6 optimal sized windows which require no specialized modification to the walls of the shipping container. Apart from the drainage and moisture benefits, the elevated position of the house provides the height necessary to construct a deck. The cabin is fitted with a 2.5 meter wide deck spanning the entire length of the container. A deck is a quick and an easy way to add extra living space to a container home by greatly extending outdoors the compact living space inside a shipping container. Extended roof eaves overhangs the front deck and the rear of the container to shield them from weather elements. This iconic roof is also a design statement that gives character to this holiday cabin. This cabin is fitted with full-height folding doors to connect the indoor living space to the outdoors. Sliding and folding doors are good space savers and ideal to use in shipping container houses. The full-height sliding glass doors provide access to the deck and also allow for maximum daylighting in order to achieve an industrial yet warm and cozy effect connecting the living room to the surrounding landscape. Next, we look at furniture and interior design. Fitting furniture in a shipping container home can be a challenge. Most standard furniture hasn't been designed specifically for such small spaces. You are encouraged to incorporate multifunctional transforming furniture and other space-saving furniture ideas like sofa beds to effortlessly allow a single space to perform more than one function. To complement the industrial look of this container, it is advisable to adopt a minimalist design to make the narrow space feel somewhat spacious. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 10 modern space-saving furniture design ideas for shipping container homes. To minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container house, the walls of the living area have been finished in monochrome light-colored paint. This is a container house, and therefore you are encouraged to consider using similar materials to finish the kitchen, backsplash, and also the bathroom walls. This repetitive theme creates harmony, therefore making the house appear bigger. You are encouraged to consider using flat pack cabinets for the kitchen and also for the wardrobes. Next, we look at insulation and temperature control. Shipping containers, by their very nature, are made of coating steel. Steel being a good conductor of heat, living in a shipping container, therefore, can be a bit of a challenge. You are encouraged to insulate and control temperature in order to turn your container into a comfortable home. Without doing that, your container will be like an oven in summer and freezing in winter. So, the climate of your location is the biggest determinant of the type of insulation or temperature control strategy to use in your container house. If you are building in the cold climate, use an insulation material that will prevent condensation and also that will prevent forming of mold inside your container house. Closed cell spray foam insulation will provide you an airtight and water barrier that will prevent condensation. For the tropical climate, keep out heat from your container house, and therefore a layer of earthwool insulation blanket lined with plasterboard will offer an adequate temperature control for hot and dry climates. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 8 insulation and temperature control strategies for shipping container homes. In addition, the containers are covered with a suspended, elevated, corrugated steel roof to guard it from rain and direct solar radiation. The corrugated steel roof is elevated above the container roof to allow for airflow to keep the container interior cool in summer. The roof covers the containers with an extended overhang above the decked frontage to shield the glazed openings and the outdoor living space from direct solar radiation. If you prefer a flat roof, you are encouraged to try out a living roof above the containers. At the rear of the container cabin, Vines and climbers cover a wire mesh trellis which insulates the container further from direct solar radiation. In addition, the planted trellis hides the corrugated steel walls of the shipping container. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the 25 plus green building design ideas for shipping container homes. Drawings and details. As earlier mentioned, this presentation covers a complete set of fully dimensioned drawings to guide you in your own shipping container project. The drawing set includes dimensioned floor plans, a roof plan, and elevations. The drawings come in both color and grayscale, so you are encouraged to pick your preference. Feel free to adopt or adapt anything from the drawing that is suitable for your own shipping container project. Cost estimate checklist. This is an itemized checklist to guide you on the things to consider when planning for your own shipping container project. If you feel we have omitted anything on the list, feel free to add. If there is an overprovision, you are encouraged to remove in order to compile a complete list to suit your own shipping container house project. The prices of the items in the list are subject to vary depending on your country, your currency exchange rate, taxes, and government regulations. For correct and factual figures, you are encouraged to consult the relevant expert in your country. What do you feel about our new house design? Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, visit our YouTube channel or check out our other container homes designs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to visit our website sheltermode.com. Or follow us on Twitter at sheltermode. If you want to buy blueprints or need further consultation, contact us on our website or like and inbox us on our Facebook page. Remember to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on shipping container homes. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.